Hello everyone! Nagluto ako ng homemade fishball. Ayan. Ayan, malapit nang maluto. I-drop ko lang yung ingredients paano gumawa ng homemade fishball. Here's the finished product. Thank you for watching everyone. God bless. Bye. Kain po tayo.